G'day guys, I'm Brie from Neighbourhood. As the year comes to an end, it's the perfect time to make sure your buyer personas are spot on with the current market. This way you can fine-tune your marketing efforts for better results. First up, dive into HubSpot's analytics tools to get a good read on your audience's behavior and preferences. Check out metrics like website traffic, content engagement, and conversion paths. By digging into these data points, you can spot trends and shifts in your audience's characteristics, like changes in demographics, interests, or buying habits. This data-driven approach is key to keeping your personas relevant and up-to-date. In HubSpot, buyer personas aren't just static profiles, they are dynamic tools that can be woven into your marketing strategy. When updating your personas, mix in both the hard data from analytics and the softer insights from customer feedback. This might mean running surveys or interviews to really get to the heart of your customers' needs, challenges, and goals. By blending these insights, you can create personas that are not only accurate, but also actionable. HubSpot lets you detail persona attributes like demographics, job roles, goals, and challenges. You can also use custom properties to add new relevant attributes that reflect the changing market landscape. This level of detail is crucial for crafting targeted marketing strategies that hit home with your audience. Once your personas are updated, you can plug them into HubSpot's marketing automation features. Use workflows to automate personalized marketing actions based on persona attributes. This ensures your messaging is spot on for each audience segment, boosting the relevance and impact of your campaigns. Personalization is a big driver of engagement and conversion, and HubSpot makes it easy to scale. HubSpot's smart content capabilities also let you deliver tailored website experiences based on the visitor's persona. This means you can dynamically tweak content, call to actions, and product recommendations to better match the interests and needs of different personas. By offering a more personalized user experience, you can up your conversion chances and build stronger audience relationships. To see how your updated personas are performing, use HubSpot's reporting tools to track campaign success by persona. This helps you figure out which personas are driving the most engagement and conversions, so you can fine-tune your strategies. By keeping an eye on things and adjusting as needed, you can make sure your marketing efforts stay effective and aligned with your business goals. There are some key recent updates that will help you with your buyer personas. First, HubSpot's free Buyer Persona Maker. This tool remains a valuable resource for creating and documenting buyer personas. It helps you gather insights and organize them effectively, making it easier to tailor your marketing strategy. Introduced at Inbound 2024, Brie's intelligence can enrich your CRM data with over 200 million buyer and company profiles. This feature helps ensure your buyer personas are based on accurate and up-to-date information, which is crucial for effective targeting and personalization. 3. Dynamic forms. The new dynamic form feature allows for more personalized data collection, which can be used to refine buyer personas. By using conditional logic and CRM validation, you can gather more relevant information from your audience, helping to build more detailed and accurate personas. These updates and tools can significantly enhance how you create and refine buyer personas, ensuring they are more aligned with your current and potential customers' needs and behaviors. And last but not least, make sure your team is on the same page with the updated personas. Share persona insights and updates across your organization to ensure everyone in marketing and sales is aligned, enabling a cohesive approach to customer engagement. Updating your buyer personas is a thorough process involving data analysis, strategic integration, and ongoing evaluation. By leveraging HubSpot's features, including the new Bree's AI integration, you can keep your personas relevant and effective, driving more targeted and impactful marketing campaigns in this coming year. This approach not only boosts your understanding of your audience, but it also sets your business up for continued success in a changing market. If you've got any questions, please drop a comment below and we will get back to you. Happy HubSpotting!